Lots of people are looking to start a website or a blog, and they're looking at free web hosting as an option to get their business started. Now, I'm just here to tell you, unless your blog or website is strictly for fun or to just keep your family informed of what you're up to or for some other purpose that you will never, and I do mean never use it for commercial or business purposes, you just do not want to get free web hosting. Here's why. First of all, if you run a blog and you're using WordPress and have created a free WordPress account and are running a business, your web URL is going to look like this. Okay? It's going to be mygreatbusiness.wordpress.com, or if you're using Blogger, it's going to be mygreatbusiness.blogspot.com instead of, with your own domain name, it would be mygreatbusiness.com. Okay, well, why is that important? Well, what looks better to your customers? This mess right here, or having your own domain name that signifies your business presence to your customers. Now again, if you're just doing this for fun, don't get me wrong. Having a free web hosting account is fine, but if you are building a business, let's get real and let's step up to the plate and actually pay for web hosting. Now just think about it for a second. If you're going to do business and you're going to get a website online and you already have all kinds of business expenses, you have to buy computers and office furniture, and you have to hire an accountant and maybe some employees and maybe even rent an office space, and if you're really incredibly ambitious, you may even go for the enormous expense of building your brick and mortar business, and that could run into hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe even $1 million. So why in the world would you opt for free web hosting? Another downside of building a free website is that you ultimately don't have control over it and the advertising space, and that advertising is placed on it. To defray the cost of giving you that free web hosting account, your web host may put advertising on your website that you cannot change. And what if there are advertisements on your site that are in direct competition to your business? How would that make you feel? And what would it do to your business? And how does it look to your customers? If you have a free website and they visit it only to see ads from your competition or see ads that don't fit at all with the product or service that you are selling. So what are the advantages of paying for web hosting? Well, number one, you get your own domain name. Number two, you can place your own advertising on your website and advertise for your product, or advertise or have people pay you to advertise their products that are somehow associated with your business. Hosting only costs $7 or $8 a month. You can get a good quality hosting account for $7 or $8 a month. Number four, that's less than a Starbucks. If you go to Starbucks every week and spend $3 or $4 a week just to treat yourself, and we know some people get Starbucks every single day, but even if you do it just once a week, that is still more per month than hosting is going to cost you. Number five, you get free tech support. If there's ever any issues on your website that you have to deal with, web hosting related, you get free tech support. Now, they're not going to help you with setting up your blog, or if there's a problem with something that you've installed on your WordPress website, but they will help you with the hosting and get that up and running and make sure it works right. And also, again, when we go back to the domain name, it is a professional look. It doesn't look sloppy. It doesn't look like some long domain name that you try to, and imagine trying to tell that to somebody over the phone or tell that to somebody you meet out in public. That's too complicated. They'll never remember it. If you have just your domain name with your business name or however you have it, you could put something fancy in there. A lot easier to remember. You need to put your business into perspective and look like a real professional business and realize the advantages of web hosting and paying for it over getting a free website. It's really less than you think, and it is a small part of owning a business compared to all of your other expenses. Besides, with the way things are today, you don't even need to open a store in the physical world when you can do everything online. Lots and lots of people don't even have a store, and they're making all their money, they're making their entire living by working online. If you're a real business, pay for web hosting. And if you need a web hosting account, check out Bluehost, where you can get a hosting account for like $3.95 to $6.95 per month. To go there, you can click the link in the video description below this video, or you can go to u-read.org/2/bluehostfr. Again, that is u-read.org/2/bluehostfr. Check it out, and if you'd like to keep up with our videos, please click the subscribe button below this video and look for our next video. Talk to you soon.